Hey guys, it's Treya and I'm back with my toddler's updated curly hair routine. I definitely wanted to come to you guys with an update because a lot has changed. Ryan's hair has gotten longer, we're using some new products, and she's a full-on toddler now, so I really wanted to come to you guys with an update and give you parents some tips on how to care for your toddler's curly hair. So definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips and tricks throughout this video. So let's jump right into wash day. Show them your hair. So tip number one, I feel like is really important when it comes to wash day. It will stop you from having a meltdown. It will stop your child from having a meltdown. It just makes wash day better. And that is giving your child something that will occupy them while you do their hair. So you guys will see throughout this video that I gave Ryan crayons, snacks, I put on her show, I gave her toys, just anything that will keep her occupied so that I'm able to do her hair. So the products that I've been using recently on her hair are products by Just For Me. It's from their new collection, Curl Piece, and I really like them because they work really well and they're affordable. So here's Ryan's hair. It's super dry, super tangled. You may see some lint in there. You just never know what you're gonna get with a toddler. So something that has changed recently in Ryan's curly hair routine is the fact that I pre-poo her hair. Yes, that might sound crazy that I pre-poo my toddler's hair, but when I tell you, it's so necessary now that she's older and her hair gets tangled and matted and she's always rolling all over the floor. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. So it's definitely a must to pre-poo her hair now, which is basically me detangling her hair before I go into styling. So I'm going to be using their Tender Head Detangling Treatment, and I'm going to use that to get rid of all of the knots throughout her hair. I like to work the treatment throughout her hair first, and you can see that it instantly moisturizes the hair, it brings out her curl pattern, and it softens her hair tremendously. Now, I don't do as much finger detangling during this step right here. I do wait 10 to 15 minutes after I apply it before I really go in and detangle her hair with my fingers and with a comb. And another tip for you parents, do this step while your child is in their high chair because it just makes it so much easier, especially for me because Ryan is a toddler now and she moves around a lot. So if I put her in her high chair and she has her crayons there, her snack there, she'll stay still and let me detangle her hair. And I really like how this pre-shampoo works for her hair. It contains aloe vera, marshmallow root extract, and raw honey. So detangling is so easy. It's so painless. Ryan actually almost fell asleep while I was detangling. So yeah, it's definitely a must-have product for Ryan. So I would highly encourage you guys to incorporate pre-pooing not only in your children's hair regimen, but in yours as well. Trust me, it cuts back on time and it just makes wash day go a lot smoother. So now that I let the pre-poo do its thing, I can go in and detangle her hair. So I just sectioned off that back section because I'm going to work with this front portion first. Another wash day tip, try to detangle as much as you can with your fingers. And this way you're able to feel the knots and feel the tangles so that you can gently remove them. Because sometimes with the comb, detangling can be painful and that's what causes your child to cry, not like wash day, and it's just an overall bad experience for the both of you. So I definitely recommend finger detangling, and once you do that, you can go in with the comb and remove the rest of the knots. Another tip for the parents out there is to detangle starting from the bottom and working your way up. This will ensure that you're not yanking your child's hair while you're trying to detangle it, which again will make for an easy breezy wash day, which you want. You really want your child to enjoy wash day, especially when they're young, because that sets the tone for when they get older and their hair gets longer and wash day gets longer. So having a pleasant wash day experience in the beginning is crucial. That's why I'm giving you guys a lot of tips that will help wash day go smoothly. So as you guys can see, I can now simply and easily detangle her hair with the comb. The comb is just gliding right through, and that's exactly what you want. So just like I do my hair and my oldest daughter's hair, I twist up that section so that it stays detangled, and I move on to the rest of her hair. Now, Ryan's hair gets so tangled and so knotted up in the back, so that's definitely a trouble spot for us. So if you do come across a similar situation where your child's hair is really knotted, I would definitely again recommend that you try to work out the knots with your fingers and then take smaller sections and go in with a fine-tooth comb and really work out those knots and tangles. So after I detangled Ryan's hair and put it in 4 sections, I moved her into the bathtub, and now I'm going to remove her twist and rinse out that pre-shampoo treatment. And as you guys can see, she does have some toys so that she can play with them while I finish up her wash routine. So after that treatment is all rinsed out, I'm going to go in with the Just For Me Ultimate Detangling Shampoo. That not only detangles, but it cleanses and it hydrates the hair. So I'm going to take some of that and work it throughout her hair, making sure to massage her scalp and get rid of any dirt and buildup and whatever else is left in her hair. If you have a toddler, you know you can find some crazy things in their hair. So I'm going to make sure that I shampoo her hair really well, and then we can move on to the next step. So now I'm going to rinse that shampoo out, and if you've been here for a while and you've seen our previous hair routines, you have seen that Ryan does really well with rinsing her hair. She tilts her head back and I'm able to just rinse it right out. Sometimes if she moves or something, the water will run down her face, and that's why it's always key to keep a towel handy so that you can quickly wipe their face and all is well. The last step in Ryan's wash routine is conditioning, and I'm going to be using the Just For Me Ultimate Detangling Conditioner, and this conditioner nourishes and replenishes the hair while also keeping it tangle free, which I love. So I like to work that conditioner through, and since her hair was already detangled from using the pre-shampoo treatment, I can just run a comb through it just to make sure that I've gotten all of the tangles out of her hair, and it will make styling a breeze because her hair is already tangle free. So of course, once I'm done working the conditioner throughout her hair, I rinse it out and wash day is done. No tears, no meltdowns, happy baby, happy mom, all is good over here. So I would definitely love to show you guys how I style her hair. I didn't do it in this video. All I did was wrap it up with a turban towel and styled her hair off camera. But if you guys would like to see how I style her hair, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If the tips were helpful, please go over to my Instagram at @IamTreya and let me know that you found this video useful. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.